Today I'm going to unbox virtual reality glasses. This is a VR headset designed for mobile devices by Trust Gaming. But before starting the unboxing, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more unboxings and product reviews. And if you are interested in virtual reality, I will start posting reviews of games in virtual reality and virtual reality projects I've been working for the last year. And now, let's start the unboxing. I'm going to unbox the virtual reality glasses GTX 720 from Trust. These are VR 3D glasses for your phone. It has a Bluetooth controller and it's built for smartphones. So about these glasses, they are universal VR glasses where you will insert your smartphone. It works with every smartphone up to 80 by 150 millimeters with a 5.5 display. It has adjustable head straps, adjustable pupil distance, and adjustable focus distance. It has a rubber for comfortable place in your face, and it has holes for the cables like USB, audio and charging, and it has a Bluetooth controller. These are the glasses. You put your smartphone here, it has a controller and the straps and the sponge. So let's unbox. So on the box it has some paper like legal and compliance information, safety instructions, a sticker for Trust Gaming, something to wipe the lenses, some rubbers. It has a USB cable with USB-A to micro USB, and the main thing, the glasses and the controller. Let's take the controller first. This is a Bluetooth controller, so you connect to your smartphone and you can control the movement on virtual reality. Yes, a joystick and some buttons and a button to take a photo. And you connect via micro USB. And let's take out the glasses. There's nothing else on the box. So on the glasses, here's the strap. The strap had 3 points of adjustment with Velcro. You can adjust here like this to make tighter or looser. We have 2 places to adjust on the sides and 1 on the center. You can focus with these buttons and you can approach and make far the pupil, the lenses for the pupil. You open like this and you place your smartphone here. Let's test it. You have a smartphone. Place it in here, push it, and it will be like this. Then you close it, and your smartphone is on the glasses. These are the lenses. And you can take off this part so the camera can look outside. If you are working with augmented reality and you have to see the world, to project it on the smartphone, you take off the lid and the lens can see the world. Just like this. To take it off, you push it and take the smartphone off. He has a magnet here and here to hold the lid. Also this, it's held by magnets. You have the sponge here in every side, so you can put it on your face and have a comfortable experience. And this is the virtual reality glasses from Trust Gaming. And this was everything that comes in the box for this smartphone VR headset. If you enjoyed this unboxing and was helpful to you, give a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more unboxings like this. Next week I will post a part 2 where I test this VR headset to see how it works, if it's good, what problems does this device could have, and if you should buy this too. Also, if you are interested in virtual reality, subscribe to this channel because during the past year I've been doing research in interaction design for virtual reality systems using computer vision technology, creating applications and games for virtual reality, and soon I will start posting my research and the prototypes I've created. You are going to love it. I hope you like this video and subscribe to the channel so I can continue to create projects for virtual reality, augmented reality and mixed reality. And I hope to see you on the next video.